Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook if it got no professional mode. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead over to your profile. Okay. And once done, tap on the three dots right here at the very top or the top right. Step on it. Now, as you can see here, my account or this account right here is locked. So make sure that your profile is public and not locked. All right, as it states here, pro mode or professional mode is not available when you've locked your profile. So go ahead and tap on unlock. Unlock right here. Unlock your profile. Wait a bit. And then once done, click on OK. Tap on the three dots again. And as you can see, turn on pro mode is now available. So just turn it on. Follow the basic prompts, and once done, you're good to go. That is it. That's how simple it is to fix Facebook no professional mode. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.